Hi Dennis, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I saw your post on digital marketing with Dennis Yu for 1 minute introduction, and here is my introduction. My name is Naeem, and I'm an IT professional. I've been working as an IT professional for 20 plus years, and now I'm working as a freelancer entrepreneur for around 10 years and giving support to most of my clients in US, Canada, and Australia. So, what kind of services I'm providing? The services I'm providing, like ID support to them, system support, networking support, VoIP support, as well as I'm doing digital marketing stuff like editing videos and doing their Instagram post, Twitter post, making graphic works with Canvas using Canvas. I'm doing that also. And for the theme for my website, which I made, quickworkonline.com, is that I should grab some clients with my website, and I should give the projects to people around here as a freelancer who are working and who don't have jobs here, and I can have their living good, so they can also earn here. So this was my main theme for my website. One of my suggestion is that if you can let me on board with you as a VA, and we can help each other, and we can have a team here. I'm a good trainer also. I can train people around. So let me know what session you have for me, and let me also know how you like my video. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.